Yeah, Sudhanshu, you have started doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start, huh? 10th one. What sum will yield 406 as simple interest? What sum? So let sum be rupees X. So P is rupees X. Simple interest as 406 rupees. In 1 year, 2 month. 1 year, 2 month will be 1 into 2 by 12. 2 by 6. 1 by 6. That is 7 by 6 year. At the rate of 1 upon 4% per annum. 25 upon 4% per annum. Since simple interest is PRT upon 100, so 406 equals to X into 25 upon 4 upon 100 into 7 by 6. 25 into 4 is 100. So 406 into 4, 4 is a 16 into 6 upon 7. Therefore, X equals to 406 into 16 into 6, 96 upon 7. 406 into 96 divided by 7. 5568 it is coming. 7 5s are 35, carry 5 into 8. This becomes 5568. Therefore, the sum must be rupees 5568. Yes, all of you got this answer only?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then do 11th. Teacher did which one? That only graph wala? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Teacher has done which one? Statistics?
Yes.
Data handling, na?
Yes, sir.
Which graph she taught? Bar graph or histograph or pie graph?
So ma'am had taught all the three, but we have not done sums for that.
Okay.
Explanation is done. Now we'll solve sums
Okay.
in the next class.
Fine. Yeah. Yeah, Shesh?
You can hear me.
I can. Tell me
The connection is disconnected.
what you are saying now.
With this low, I guess my internet connection is a bit low. I guess I'm getting disconnected right now.
No problem.
The
I'm
connection.
I'm recording everything. I will post it if something goes wrong with you. Shall I explain again 10 sum? It is very simple. Can I clear 10th one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ashmit, can you tell me what is meaning of what sum will amount to?
Sir, Ashmit is not there.
Oh, sorry. Uh, I don't know. What do you mean by what sum will amount to? Means what? Sudhanshu, you say what is meaning of?
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, say.
sir, I guess sum is simple interest.
No, they are telling.
sir,
No.
its principal means how much principal will amount to
Huh.
1748.
In
So
given
how?
time and rate.
No, that means that is total amount they have given. What sum will amount to this much? So let principal equals to rupees X, correct? And
Yes, sir.
it should amount to what rupees?
1748.
So amount is given,
Yes.
principal we have to calculate. In 2.5 year. So it will be 5/2 year at the rate of interest 7.5, which is 15 upon 2% per annum. Formula for simple interest is PRT upon 100. P is X, R 15/2, T is 5/2, into that 1 upon 100. 5 into 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. 3 into x is 3x. 4 4s are 16. So simple interest is this. Now amount is principal plus simple interest. Amount is 1748. Principal is x. Simple interest is 3x upon 16. So 1748 is 16x plus 3x upon 16. 1748 equals to 19x upon 16. Therefore, x is 1748 into 16 upon 19. Just copy till this, then I'm clearing further.
Sir, can you explain from there 16x plus 3x1?
This one, how it came? This one.
No, after that.
See,
Let's say.
when you cross multiply, what you will get? 16 into x, 16x
16. Okay. Yes.
plus 3, 19x upon 16.
Yes.
Then I cross multiplied this whole thing. 16 goes up, 1748 into 16 upon 19.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So,
Thank you. Sir, 19 and 1748 are divisible.
so 19 into 1 is nothing but
Sir,
171.
92.
Remainder 3, 2 into 16 you will get. So x equals to say 19 into 9. So 19 into
Yeah,
9.
sir, 92.
92.
So 92 into 16. 16 twos are 32, carry 3, 16 into 9, 144, and 3, 147. Therefore, principal equals to rupees 147. Yes. Done, na?
Yeah, sir, got the same.
Try 12th now. Shreyash, done?
Yes, sir.
Some number, no.
Sir, again principal will be x, right?
It will be x into 8 upon 5.
I'm just reading. Some number 12th we are doing. A sum of money becomes 8 by 5 of itself. Sum of money becomes 8 by 5 times of itself. That means if it is 10, then it will become 8 by 5 of itself. If it is 20, then 8 by 5 of 20. If it is x, then 8 by 5 times of x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Becomes means
Yes.
what? Amount, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say let principal be rupees x? Therefore, it becomes 8 by 5 of itself. So rupees 8 by 5 x becomes amount. I hope you follow this line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now difference of these two is what?
Yes, sir.
Interest, na?
Yes, sir.
So amount and principal, when you subtract, what you will get? Interest or not?
Yes.
Now, once you know interest, PRT upon 100 is our answer.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Please solve now further. We want to find what is rate of interest. Time is 5 year. Rate of interest we have to calculate. So simple interest is PRT upon 100. Amount minus principal is PRT upon 100. 8 by 5 x minus x is x r into t is 5 upon 100. Chalo, can you simplify this? How to do? Can I cross multiply again? 8x minus 5x. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 8x into 1 is 8. X into
Yes.
5 upon 5 is x r into 5 upon 100. 3x upon 5 is 5x r upon 100. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chalo. Just one more line more here. R is 3x into 100 upon 5 into 5x. X cancel. 5 into 20. 5 into 4. Therefore, R equals to 12% per annum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, all of you got shares? Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 13. Can I clear this now?
1 second, sir.
Yes. So, what the answer?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Correct.
Try 13. 13 start. So 13th, let us see now. What sum of money What is meaning of what sum of money?
Principal.
Yes.
Principal.
So principal is not given. I will take rupees X. What sum of money? Lent at 12.5% per annum, which becomes 25 upon 2% per annum, will produce the same interest in 4 years. Time is 4 years. Same interest as 8560. So I'm writing this as I1. As 8560 produces in 5 years for 12%. 1 minute, wait. All of you wait.
Yes, sir.
See, principal is X at the start, rate is 25 by 2 and period is given, yes Sudhanshu. And period is given, kitna year bola hai? 4 years. Will give same interest. So if this is first one, this is first one, this is first one, this is second one. Same interest means I1, I2 is same or not?
Yes, sir.
First interest, second interest same, no?
Yes.
So can I say I1 is same as I2 if P2 is 8560, yes, 8560. But for time is 4 years, 5 years. At the rate, naya rate is
12%.
12% per annum. Again, listen the question. 12% per annum. Some amount X at rate of 12.5 for 4 year gives some interest, but this is same as second wala interest. So can I say first ka interest, second ka interest same? So I1 is I2. Not followed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I2 is for amount 8560 for 5 years and 12%. So can I start like this after writing this information? Since I1 is same as I2, so P1 R1 T1 upon 100 is P2, P2 not P2, P2 R2 T2 upon 100. Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
100 can be fit twos from both side. Can we cancel? Tell me P1 is how much?
Yes.
X.
P1 is rupees X.
And what is R1? 25 by 2.
25.2.
And what is T1? 4.
4 years.
What is P2? 8560
60.
into 12 into
12,
5.
5.
2 2s are 4. So can I say X is 8560, 12 5 is a 60 upon 25 2 into 50. 0 0 cancel. Clear now?
Sir, what about the 5 which was down of that
It
8560?
is not down, it is into 12 into 560.
Okay, oh, you wrote it like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sir, what about 25?
25 into
Into
2
2.
50
Acha,
came
okay.
down. I multiplied 25 into 2 50 now. So now 5 into 1 is 5. Remainder 3. 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10 into 6. Therefore 6 2s are 12. 6 and 1 7. 6 7s are 42. Carry 4. 6 4 10. So x equals to rupees 10272. Not followed.
Understood.
Followed, sir.
Yes. Yes, Shreyash, what you are saying here?
But he is not there.
Huh? Very well.
He's not there.
Okay, copy.
Sir, in this after you have written x equals to 8560 into 60 upon 50, you cancelled both the zeros. After that, you multiplied 856 into 6.
No, I divided with 5. Now 5 into 1. 5 into 1, 7, 1, 2.
Okay. And then you would multiply it by 6 and got it.
Yes.
Okay. Now can we write?
Solve.
Okay, sir.
Sir, do we have to solve sums tomorrow and send you?
Yeah, I will send the test paper, then you have to solve it.
Okay.
3:30 I will send you.
Sir, both cube root and simple interest, right?
Test you are telling?
Yeah, about that.
Both.
We don't have to come. You will just send the paper and we have to solve it.
Yes.
Okay. You have to send it you on the WhatsApp.
Don't send PDF. Just take photograph and send so that I
Okay.
can correct it. Yes.
Okay. Sir, but in photos sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it becomes blur, not clear.
No, that's okay
why.
because checking is easy with that.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Can I clear this from the screen then?
No, sir. Just a minute.
Now you try 14th, beta.
Sir,
Okay,
I'm
sir.
getting disconnected again and again.
And I'm recording it. Don't take tension. I will send it today evening.
Sir, next one is also like this only. Amount 1, amount 2.
Yes. If 225 amount to 155 with simple interest, what will be 3,200 amount to? It is not exactly same. Be careful.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 14. If rupees 1250 amounts to 1550. So this is first amount, first principal. In time 3 year at simple interest, what will be 3,200 amount to be? So when principal is 3,200, it will amount to how much in 4 year at same rate of interest, means R1 is same as R2. Please wait now 1 minute, wait. Can you tell me how to start?
Sir, amount is
Therefore, amount.
yeah, that one.
No, not amount. I'm starting with interest of first one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Interest of first one is P1 R1 P1 upon 100.
100. Yeah.
And interest of P1 upon this much. Okay, let us solve this. P1 is 1250. R1 I don't know. T1 is 3 and upon 100. 0 I can cancel. So this will become 375 upon 10 times R1. First equation followed.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
I2 will be P2 R2 T2 upon 100. What is P2? 3200. R2 I
Yes.
don't know. T2 is 4 whole upon 100.
Yes, sir.
Two zeros will get cancelled. So we'll get 8 I2 equals to 3200. Two zeros I have cancelled. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12 into R2. Therefore, I2 is 121 R1 because both are same. Okay.
Yes.
See, this is one method. You can take ratio also. So you'll get I1 upon I2. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
What is same they are telling? Something is same. Rate of interest is same, na?
Yes.
So I1 we know, I2 we know. Can I get I2 is how many times I1 from here? 1 minute, wait. I will make it easier. You may get confused with this. Don't get confused. P1 given, A1 given. P1 given, A1 given. Wherever I see I1, can I write there A1 minus P1?
Yes, because it's a formula for that.
Yes. So to make it easy, here only I am writing. This is A1 minus P1, which is nothing but 1550 minus 1250. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
This is then 300 or not?
Yes.
So this is R1 will be 300 into 10 upon 375.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we cancel this by 5? 5 into
Yes.
6, 30. 5 sevens are 35. Remainder 2, 5 fives are 25. 15 into 5, 15 into 4. 5 twos are 10. So R1 is 8% per annum. Okay?
Yes, sir.
8% per annum. Therefore, R2 is also 8% per annum because it is same.
Yes.
Just copy till this.
1 second.
Yeah. Because once you get R2, then you know P2, you can get I2.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
So you got so far R2, which is same as R1, 8%. Now we want to find what is A2. So I2 is P2, R2, T2 upon 100. What is P2? 3200.
3200.
And R we got R1 8.
Yes.
D2 is 4.
4.
Upon 100, 2 zeros cancel.
Yes.
8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 125 into 4. 4 6 are 24. Carry 2. 4 5s are 20. So 22 carry 2. 4 2s are 8 to 10. This much rupees is new interest. So new amount will be P2 plus I2. 3200 plus 1024. That will become 4224. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 14th one.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next sum. Next 15th one. Sum of money lent at simple interest to a sum of amount. Okay. This is again nothing but amounts. Sum of money lent at simple interest amounts to. So amount is given rupees
Sir, in
3224.
this in this sum, the principal will be same, right, in both terms?
Yes.
1 minute, let me see.
Yes, sir. The principal will be same. Only the time period is
Wait
changing.
1 minute. When 1 minute. Let us read, understand. Sum of money lent at simple interest to amounts this much in 2 years and this much in 5 years. So same money is becoming 3224 in 2 years and 4160 in 5 years. That means principal is same and rate of interest is same. Okay. Hello, now followed.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is amounting to this much. Matlab ye first wala in how many year it is becoming this much? 2 year. And same amount which I don't know what is principal becomes how much? 4160 in 5 year. Find the sum, that means principal. Let it be rupees X and rate of interest let it be R. R equal to R. Question. Understood now? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Will you take 2 minutes and try? Please try.
Yes.
Yes, two things are missing up. It's a bit tricky.
Sir, we have to find simple interest, right?
We have to find simple.
Sir, will it be like A1 minus P1 is equals to PRT upon 100?
You can write. But simple interest we are not knowing. I will just show you how to do. Just see. Just check. Please stop. 1 minute. Think. All of you think. For me, P minus X will be my interest. Okay. So I1 is P1 R1 T1 upon 100. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but A1 minus P1 equals
Yes,
to
sir.
Yes.
R1 P1 R1 T1 upon 100. That means 3, 2, 2, 4 minus X is X into R into T. T is 2 upon 100. Nothing else you can do. Maximum is this only what you can do. Na? That means 2R
Yes, sir.
X upon 100. Let this be my equation. Okay. Again, what will be I2? It is P2 R2 T2 upon 100. I hope followed.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes.
A2 minus P2 is P2 R T2 upon 100. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So 4160 minus of P2 is X equal to X R T2 is 5 upon 100. Equation 2. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I divide equation 1 by 2, then we get, please solve till this much, then I'm doing further. Solve till this.
Okay. Sir.
A1 given, so first I found principal interest formula as A1 P1. Same way for second one, A2 P2.
Sir, what is the last line?
Dividing equation 1 by 2, we get.
Okay.
Now, if you see, everybody is done till this first.
Done, sir.
Okay, just give me 1 minute, then I'm
Done, sir.
first equation is this, na? 3224 minus x, hai na?
Yes, sir.
And second equation is 4160 minus x.
Yes, sir.
So if you are dividing this upon 4160 minus x divided by 5rx upon 100. Rx upon 100, Rx upon 100, can you cancel?
Yes.
Yes.
Do this much. Now it is just 2 line more.
Done, sir.
Yeah, once.
Done, sir.
So this will become 3, 2, 2, 4 minus x upon 4160 minus x is 2 upon 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I cross multiply, it will be 5 into 3224 minus x is 2 into 4160 minus x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now open the bracket. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 to 12, 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 5 3s are 15, 1 16 minus 5x equals to 2 into 0 is 0.
Eight three two zero.
8320 minus 2x.
8 3 2 0 minus 2x 1 6 1 2 0 minus 8 3 2 0 is 5x minus 2x, correct? Now this 5x goes on that side, becomes plus,
Yes.
and this plus comes here, becomes minus. So
Yes, sir.
0 0 11 minus 3 is 8, 15 minus 8 is 7 equals to 3x. So 7,800 upon 3 is x. So can I say x equals to rupees 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 2600.
Yes, sir.
How to find then P rate of interest R? Since I1 equals to P1 R1 P1 upon 100. What is I1 we got?
3 2 16120 minus.
Okay, first complete till this, then I'm explaining. Complete till this. After this, I will explain in 5 lines. We will say first क्यों नहीं बताया.
Done.
Okay. Now you know amount, you know principal. You want to find R. Till end if you complete, tell me. Yeah?
Yeah, sir.
Sudhanshu done?
No, sir. Just a minute.
What happened? Done or not?
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay. I1. What is equation 1? Can you tell me equation 1? What you got equation
Sir,
1?
it is
3224
3224 minus x is equals to 2rx upon 100.
Yes.
2rx upon 100. Now x, what we got x as? 1000?
2600.
2600.
2600. So 2r into 2600 upon 100. These two zeros we can eliminate, okay?
Yes, sir.
4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 12 minus 6 is 6. This will become, and 2 minus 2, 0. Equals to 2 into 6, 52 into r, okay?
Yes, sir.
So 624 upon 52. Can you cancel by 2 first? 26, 3, 1, 2. Now by 26 you can cancel this.
Yes, sir.
26, 1 is 26, remainder is 552, 26 into 2, 12% per annum. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Now please do this, फिर shortcut बताता हूँ इसका.
Done.
Done, na? Yes,
Done,
done?
sir.
Done. Now, Sudhanshu, you read.
What, sir?
Read the sum.
Okay.
Same sum.
A sum of money lent at simple interest amounts to rupees 3,224 in 2 years and rupees 4,160 in 5 years. Find the sum and the rate of interest.
Arnav and Shreyash.
Yes, sir.
Arnav and Shreyash. Hello, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This much amount I gave after how many years?
2,
And this much amount I gave after how many years?
5.
So whatever extra I gave, that was interest for how many years? 3 years. 3 years. 3 years. देखो इधर suppose as
3,
example.
5 minus.
है ना, एकदम simple.
Minus 2.
See,
Yes.
if I return after 1 year, I gave suppose 102. After 2 years, I gave 104. So 2 rupees extra is interest in 1 year or not?
Yes.
Not followed?
Yes, sir.
Followed,
Yeah,
sir.
Yeah.
Follow.
So can I say this extra amount, whatever it comes, it is interest on interest for how many years?
3.
3 years.
3 years. So extra amount means just find difference. कितना आएगा?
We have to minus, right? 4160.
minus.
Yes, sir.
Minus this, yes. Minus, very beautiful one answer.
1936.
19?
1986.
36.
ऐसा पोपट मत करो यार.
Sir, 836. 836. Actually, it's 3. Actually, it's 3224. I got confused like 3824. That's why.
Yes, sir.
So what is correct one?
836.
836.
836.
Now you have to apply your sixth sense. 836 is my interest for how many year? 3 year.
3 years.
Rate of interest, I don't know, I have to calculate. If I get principal, I get my answer na.
Yes.
Yes.
This was interest for how many years? This was amount for how many years?
2 years.
Okay. 836 is interest for 3 years. So can you tell me for 1 year how much?
836 divided by
Divided
3.
by 3.
So simple. So this will be how much then? 1. Bolo kitna? 1. 3 to the 6.
243.
243. This becomes
242. Sorry, 242. Sorry.
3 to the 6. Remainder 1. 3 4s are 12. This is 6. No, wrong. 836 is for 3 years. This is 2. It won't come perfectly divisible. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 2. 3 7s are 21. Remainder 2 where it is perfectly divisible. So it's not 2, na? See,
No.
again, I took difference and I got interest for how many years? 3 years. I got for 3 years, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this 3, 2, 2, 4 was amount, no?
Yes.
After how many years?
2 years.
And this is that 836, na? Yeah, it kitna hai?
836.
836 is for 3 years. Divide by 3, it is 1 year.
Yes.
So 322 to 4 amount minus 836 upon 3 into 2. This will become interest for 2 years.
Yes.
So when you subtract this, what you will get? Principal, isn't it?
Yes,
Amount
sir.
minus
Yes.
interest principal. So no need to do all that. See, but that will require again knowledge, how much you are able to apply at that point. See, again I'm telling. This is amount after 2 years. This is amount after 5 years. Why I gave extra? Because I have to pay interest. So that extra I got how much? 836. But that I have to pay after how many years? 3. So after every year, I am paying 836 upon 3, 836 upon 3, 836 upon 3 or not.
Yes, sir.
So that much, first one if I take, this was amount minus the interest after 2 years is 1 year into 2 years will give you principal. Okay.
Principal. Yes.
Now once you know principal, then तो it is very simple. Amount minus principal is BER and amount. अगर ये जमता है तो ये करना. Otherwise, whatever method I explained. So today we stop here. This method again I will explain you slowly.
Sir, so what if this question is asked, what type of method we have to apply?
It is your wisdom, whichever you have followed.
Okay.
If
If
I
I'm
remember this, then we can do.
if I'm at your age, I will do first wala method, even though it is lengthy. But after understanding that whatever extra amount I gave, is difference is nothing but my interest for that 3 years. And this logic is so very simple. Today I am
Yes.
paying 100 rupees. After 5 years I am paying 105. So that my 5 is interest. Na?
Yes.
So for 1 year,
Yes.
whatever interest I get for amount of 2 years, I will subtract interest of 2 years. That will give me principal at the start. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
So next lecture I will explain. Now you will forget. So that's all for today. For test 3E, 3F and first 15 sum mein se I can give you any sum.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, bye.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thanks a
Bye
lot.
bye.
Bye. Bye Sudhanshu.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
हाँ तो देखो ये सब सम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. जितना दिमाग लगाएंगे ना उतना मजा आएगा. See, direct formula तो everybody can do. It depends कि how you are